Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the shop. My name is Will Walker. This is the William Walker Company Project channel. Do you remember a few months ago when I reviewed the Mirka Deros sander and dust extractor and how blown away I was by it? Well, I've had it for a few months now. I've been using it in my furniture shop and I still love it. It's still incredible. It still blows me away how fantastic this system is. It makes sanding almost enjoyable. Well, it's the new year. It's 2020, a new decade. Can you believe that? And Mirka reached out to me and they said, Will, we love working with you so much. We want you to give away a Mirka Deros and a dust extractor and some abrasives to give you guys a chance to win a complete dustless sanding system. This is huge news. I'm so excited to be able to give this away. So you'll have 2 weeks to enter. As of right now, if this video posts today, the end date will be midnight on February 12th, and we will choose a winner randomly by software and let you know by email. To enter, follow the link below and in the pinned comment. And you need to do 2 things that are absolutely mandatory to make you eligible to win this. Number 1 is fill out a form with some information on it. And number 2 is head over to Instagram and give Mirka USA a follow. And while you're there, go ahead and give me a follow too. That'll get you another entry. And then if you're not already subscribed to this channel where I'm giving this incredible sanding system away, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That'll get you another entry into this contest. Unfortunately, this is only good for US participants. It's only good in the US. There is no age restriction though. So I'm sorry to all of my European and Canadian and South American, Central American, Asian, African, Australian, Antarctican viewers. Sorry, US only. That's it for me. I'm going to get back to making furniture. I've got some great videos coming down the works. I've got a big table I'm working on. I've got another thing I'm working on. I've got a coffee table build I'm working on. I've got all sorts of things. So I want to thank Mirka for supporting this channel. I want to thank you guys for supporting me in what I do. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of new content. I'm going to get back to making furniture so I can make more project videos for you guys and get some of this stuff out of my shop. Until I see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.